problem.
Cool. And so what's the name of these pancakes that we're doing?
Yeah. Quarkkeulchen.
Okay. So we're starting with some potatoes. Like, how bad can that be, huh?
So,
should we chop those up?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, all right. Now let me get that.
First you cook the potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
It's always, the recipes are very different from 2 pounds potatoes and 1 pound of quark, or some do it 2 pounds potatoes and 2 pounds quark. Don't know which one is better. No idea. We do it 2 pound, 1 pound.
So 2-to-1 ratio then,
yeah.
Right? And then you can adjust the quantity from there, right? So 2-to-1, 2-to-1.
And you very important. You need potatoes, not a very
starchy.
Yeah, they have to be very starchy.
Okay.
Because they have to. You mash them.
Yeah.
And it's easier with if they are not so
waxy. I think would be the word I would use. Cool. And like, I can't describe Quark. It's not sour cream. It's not yogurt. But I guess because we can't get Quark, at least where I'm at, I would think sour cream might work.
Yeah, or yogurt maybe.
Yeah, okay. Because, when I tasted Quark the other day, again, I noticed that it had kind of it's a much lighter taste than a sour cream. It's not as, for lack of a better word, sour.
Please help me with this oven.
Okay, well, I'm going to turn the video off for that because it takes me a minute to figure it out as well. So, okay, we're bringing the potatoes up to a boil in some salted water. You're going to cook till they're fork tender.
Mealy potatoes because it's easier to mash and they make it more creamy.
Yeah.
And you can't use waxy ones.
Got it.
That wouldn't work. Waxy ones are for hash browns or roasted potatoes.
Yeah.
Like that.
Cool. Well, we cleared that up.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Right, potatoes are done.
So, where?
Figure out Kathy's oven. There you go. I think that.
So, drops of water on the potatoes. Put the potatoes into a bowl.
Mm-hmm. And you were saying that your grandmother did this warm, and some recipes say cool them down. So what's that about?
It's very important to mash them as long as they are hot.
Okay. Boy, it smells good.
Yeah. And now the recipes are different. Some cool the potatoes totally down, and then add all the other ingredients. But as far as I can remember, my grandma did it always hot.
Okay.
As long as the potatoes are hot, add all the other things. So you need quark.
Okay. And that's 1 packet.
Yep.
Okay.
250 grams.
Okay. And we will have a recipe in the description on this one.
So then you need an egg yolk.
Boing.
Some sugar.
Okay.
some flour.
Okay.
Wheat flour. And a teaspoon of lemon
Zest.
Yeah. No.
Hold on. You could, just eyeball it.
Yep.
Good.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Beautiful.
And now mix it.
Okay. Man, I can smell that lemon. It's great.
And like the sauerbraten, you can add raisins.
Ah, interesting.
So I think the traditional is with raisins.
So something tells me you're the one that doesn't like raisins.
No, I love them.
Yeah?
Yep. A spoon.
Oh.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but because the raisins, make it sweet again. So the quark is a bit sour.
Yeah.
And with the raisins, it will be a little bit sweeter. But you eat it with sugar on the top.
Yeah, that's true.
Or with apple...
the puree, applesauce, something like that.
Apple puree.
Yeah.
Or with powdered sugar. So I think it's sweet enough.
Yeah, fair.
That's, yeah.
So it comes to the texture of a really good mash.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I think it's done.
Okay.
Now we need a pan and some oil.
All right. I think, Lena, I think there's some oil up there. Right here.
No olive oil. I think that it's...
Is it Mazola in that corn oil?
Yeah.
What is the E for? Error?
No idea. Now you form some patties. Not so thick.
Nice.
Yep, and you need some flour because it's very
sticky. Okay. I think we're cooking with grease now. Yeah. This is going to make a nice lunch.
I hope so.
I hope so too.
Oh, they are huge.
Mmm. So I assume you just sort of fry them until they're golden brown, right?
Yeah. Then they will be done.
Okay, we've got a good and golden brown. I'm going to try to flip them. Here we go, Lena.
Give all your best.
Those are gorgeous. Look at that. Look at it.
Oh, perfect. Braxton, you did it.
Oh, you did it. I'm just flipping.
Yeah. It needs the right time to flip.
Yeah. So that we will just let the other side do the same. So do we want to put these off onto like a paper towel?
Maybe it would be better
Okay.
for the oil.
Yeah. To kind of help it drain just a little. Like to clean the kitchen so we don't leave such a Sorry, we ate all the potato pancakes and didn't leave you any. And by the way, here's this mess. I think these are ready to come out. That one is for sure.
They look.
Don't they look good? I'm sorry. I think
So
we've done an amazing job.
Yeah, I think try to turn it with a because it's so sticky. Use a flipper.
Okay.
It's like glue.
Yeah. Here we go.
And some more oil, I think.
Yeah, I think you're right. Hold on. That's good. That's good.
What the?
I'm just going to slow it down just a little bit, but I think it'll be okay. Yeah, I think we can get one more in. There you go.
This one is
Beautiful.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to flip the second batch. Oh, wow. Look at those.
Yeah. I have no idea why they are so sticky. Maybe too much flour? No, no idea.
And I had these when I was here last time, but I was out east. I can't remember where I was. Was I in Dresden? Were we in Dresden?
Yeah. When we were in Dresden.
Yeah. And here we are doing them. It's fair.
Yeah, my grandma was from the east.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
We had a lot of dishes from the east because my grandma was a person like never eaten before, so I won't cook it. No new recipes, only the old traditional ones.
Yeah.
What is pasta bolognese? But no.
Not happening on her watch, huh?
Yeah. Do you use for desserts sugar mixed with cinnamon?
Yes, cinnamon sugar, absolutely.
Yep.
Do we want to sprinkle some of that on while they come out hot?
No, I think everybody
adds it themselves.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get batch number 2 out. I think they're ready. I'm quite impressed at how many of these made. Because, we didn't have too many.
Yeah.
Goodness. It's like the Play-Doh experiment as kids. You guys have Play-Doh? Remember Play-Doh? Yeah. It's like clay,
Play-Doh was easy to remove.
Yeah, that's true. Far better than clay.
That was the thing with Play-Doh. Easy to remove.
Yeah. I am hungry. Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
So we've got the applesauce, we've got some cinnamon sugar, and we have the... Can you say the name again?
Quarkkeulchen.
I'm going to let you have that one.
I don't know. Normally, Keulchen.
Quaken?
It's difficult. No, in the no, the cage guys who living in a million years ago.
Caveman.
Caveman.
Yeah.
They had a wooden piece for.
Yeah.
For murdering animals.
Yeah.
And then that huge one was a Keule. And if it's CHEN, it's smaller. It's a Quarkkeulchen.
I gotcha.
But that
has nothing to do with the
it.
shape of these, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Maybe. So the Flintstones, they had a Keule.
Yeah. So we'll do, while you're doing the applesauce, I will do a little bit of sugar. Because, why not? Oh, goodness gracious. That was way too much, but it is what it is. And let's try a little.
First.
How is it? Did we do it?
Yeah. I think so. Yep.
And they can be eaten hot or cold, you said?
Yeah.
That's amazing. So would you have this for breakfast?
No.
Okay.
It's a lunch.
Okay. And you can use like leftover mashed potatoes for this too, can't you?
Yeah.
Right on.
So that's the difference between the recipes with cold potatoes, hot potatoes.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah. So and if you have leftover potatoes,
yeah,
you can use them.
Mix it up cold that way.
Yep.
All right, I'm going to drop the video here. There you have it. Potato pancakes. Say it again, Lena. What's the name of them?
Quarkkeulchen.
And there you have it. Later, kids.